Why do all those damn kids watch those vlogs on the internet?
Shut up!
The outbreak started slowly. People staying on camera for more than 4 minutes, talking without a script, telling obviously embellished stories with titles like, I had sex with my dog.
You won't believe what happened to me today. So basically...
And now some of the world's last remaining sketch comedians must make their stand.
Where's Rachel?
I'm more concerned about the finding a princess.
No, you idiot! Where's Rachel, our camera guy?
Yeah, and I mean, where's Princess, our sound guy? Whoa.
Where is everybody?
Hello?
No, they've been infected.
Oh my God, guys.
You will not believe what happened to me today.
Oh my God, you guys.
You won't believe what happened to me today.
I went to the supermarket and they were selling babies.
Strawberry shortcakes were just not there, and I was on the bus.
I drowned in the ocean.
I ate Kleenex.
We've got to get out of here.
They've been taken over by...
The vlog virus.
Look, there's only a handful of us left. We have to stay strong, sketch brethren.
But it's so much easier making videos without scripts.
And without costumes.
No way!
We are sketch comedians.
Yeah, we have to wear costumes!
Consider the benefits. More videos that are easier to make.
In longer runtime, the algorithm loves that runtime.
Come on, guys. Come do inane challenges with us and eat weird food.
And other things that'll take between 10 and 15 minutes.
Join us on the vlog side.
The vlog side.
It's okay.
At least we have you, Ryan Higa.
You'll never let us down. Right, Ryan Higa?
Hold on, I don't get how we are the last of the sketch people. What about like Lily Pons or all those other big, Viners or ex-Viners that ended up becoming YouTubers and now they're blowing up? Don't they count?
No, damn it! They're too young and pretty to be seen in costumes and silly wigs.
Yeah, Ryan Higa, just shut the f up and go along with it.
Yeah!
Fine. I guess we just need to get the message out there and see if there's anybody else like us. Let me just set this up real quick.
Great idea, Ryan Higa.
Yeah, you do that, Ryan Higa. You never let us down.
Hey guys, this is Ryan Higa, and we are some of the last sketch people left. Is there anyone else out there?
Ryan Higa, no!
Don't use your phone to make a video, Ryan Higa. It's too easy.
Anyone at all? Hey guys, you won't believe what happened today.
Game over, man. We're gonna die in here.
Join the resistance. Meet us in a place no vlogger would ever be seen at. Sketch comedy writer's room.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Okay, just look at your phone and pretend you're vlogging.
Vlog, 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 vlog. Go, go, go!
So today we tried to assimilate Anthony and Ann and they totally got away.
And also, they almost had sex with my dog.
Welcome.
Who are you guys?
Are you the resistance?
Bereta!
They said you two were merely a myth. My grandfather used to tell stories of your epic comedy sketches on YouTube.
We discovered a way to destroy these vloggers by bringing good, old-fashioned, original content back to the internet. You know, like YouTubers used to do.
Channels like The Wine Cone,
Brookers,
Lisa Nova,
Happy Slip,
Dax Flame,
Lonely Girl 15,
Chad Vader,
Lazy Dork.
Lazy Dork, sick reference.
Thanks. 5-star rating system.
Mini DV tapes.
4x3! You see, YouTubers these days just aren't what they used to be.
Something's not right.
Are they ranting?
I'm a YouTuber in 2017. My phone doesn't flip shut, and it has a camera.
Rant videos are an even easier form of content than vlogs!
My hip!
Subscribe to our dead channel.
Box for box.
I can't believe it. We might be the last sketch comedy people left alive.
What about Smosh is bored on our second channel every Monday? Aren't those pretty much vlogs? Man, why are we avoiding this?
It's a virus. If we start vlogging now, we'll be vlogging forever.
But maybe that's not so bad. Don't you ever wonder if we're limiting ourselves with sketch comedy?
No. That's crazy talk.
Think about it. People want to know our personalities. Maybe that's why vlogging is so popular. Because it's what the people want. Isn't that who we do this for? The people? And oh my God, you won't believe what happened to me today.
What did you just say? Anthony, no! No!
My dog almost had sex with my toothbrush.
Hey guys, thank you so much for subscribing and watching our super scary video. To see behind the scenes footage and bloopers from this episode, click the box on the left. And if you want to see another super scary video from us, which involves a dick pic curse, click the box on the right.